Okay, you guys, so the day has come where we are finally going to have our foundation poured. So last night I went through and I did all the rebar here. Sorry about the ramps. But it goes all the way down on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to show you the middle holes. Here's the middle holes. This is the one for the really, really tall wall. I don't know if you can see it or not. I can't really see, in the phone, but hopefully you can. And then this goes with the rows. See the holes that are going down? These are the piers that are going to hold the walls. And then all of them have their own little support in them. See? It's very cool. This is super duper cool. So we have all of them have rebar in them. And then we even had to come across and do like a half one within this row. So all the way around, that's the support for all the walls. Okay, so I'm just walking you down just so you can see. This is so cool. All the rebar. I did each one of those things, and in each one, Sean put each of the stakes in the ground, and then we had to attach the rebar to it. So what's going to happen is when they pour this massive amount of concrete that's on its way here to us, when they pour that, that'll go in between, and this helps with the strength of the walls. See that? That's so cool. We're doing most of the walls ourselves. Okay, actually, we're going to do all of the framing. And there you have it. Our first foundation.
2 hours later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, you guys, the concrete is in. As you can see. Then we have these. Look at that. Look at that. There's our little bathtubs in here. And it's ready for the blocks to be put in. Look at that. How cool is that? And that's the whole site.